there are 7 chakras, 7 points in our body. From where are this stool body, means our physical body is connected with our Sukshma Sharir, ethereal body. Otherwise, this body is just a toy, 5 elements toy. That 7 points, they have to be activated. That energy has to flow through those 7 points from Mooladhara to Sahasradhara. We will not touch in detail because it itself is a huge subject, and I'll request Atulji, someday we will talk about chakras and Kundalini Jagran and other things. You must understand that for your blood pressure, your insomnia, your n number of other diseases, meditation is the only answer. When your all chakras are activated, there is no obstruction at all. There are 7 plug points from where, again I'll repeat, from where your physical body is attached to your ethereal Sukshma Sharir. Very clear, very simple. So these 7 points from where your energy flows and you work. Like Namdev said, "Mati ko putra kaise nachat hai." This is just a toy of 5 elements, but that energy is entering in your body from these 7 points, from Mooladhara, that is a point somewhere at the end of your backbone, and Sahasradhara, that is the top crown chakra. So meditation is the only answer to activate your all chakras, to develop your immune system, and to have a strong body which can fight all the diseases. Secondly, now come to the IQ. Just since Zeba Rezvi has clearly said, if you have a strong mind, if you have a healthy mind, you are healthy. And meditation is a wonder for your mental strength. Like, for example, to sharpen your memory, meditation is the only answer. Like our few meditations like Brahmana Dhyan and other meditation, beautiful meditation for sharpening your memories, not only your memories. As per the research, almost you can say that 80% diseases are psychosomatic diseases. You have to understand this thing. And you can get rid of stress, anxiety, stress, and a number of other ailments through meditation. And after Brahmanath meditation, I am 100% sure, I have tried myself, that the problem of insomnia will not be there. That I can guarantee, and Dr. Naresh can vouch for it, that he has worked on it. Am I right, Dr. Naresh ji? If you can unmute yourself. If you can unmute self, Dr. Naresh ji is director in Adesh Medical College. And Dr. Saab, if you can unmute and just tell about 2-3 points in a medical terminology, we'll be grateful.
All of you, pranam. Myself, Dr. Naresh.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Yeah. So as Acharya said, Acharya Shri said, meditation is the only answer to all the problems in the life, whether it is at the level of physical well-being, it's a mental well-being, spiritual well-being, and social well-being. All the solutions lie in the meditation. All the solutions.
Especially for insomnia, insomnia, you were telling that something is released from here, that some melatonin or something. One day you were telling.
Yes, with the meditation, the melatonin hormone is very important, which are released in the pituitary gland, and it's a very important. And because of the deficiency of this hormone, this may lead to the insomnia. So with the meditation, not only this hormone, but all hormones in the body are balanced, including this hormone also. And the people that are patient who suffering from the insomnia, and they have then sound sleep even without meditation. The some sadhak was saying that without external factor, without depending on the external factor in medicine, we can treat our diseases, and insomnia very effectively can be treated by the meditation.
Oh, thank you very much, Dr. Saab. So nice of you. So nice of you. You have vouched. Strong to face the challenges of this world. Now comes the EQ.
And
Another important. Yeah.
sorry to disturb you.
Yeah,
there
go
are
ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Don't worry, go ahead. So it's
And
interactive session.
with the meditation, there are other hormones also, dopamine hormones, rewarding hormone. There's a love hormone, serotonin, and all hormones, they are released and positively come into our body. That lead to the mental, social, and physical well-being.
So
And
youngsters can listen that
lot
it
of
can
hormones.
it releases the love hormones also. So youngsters
Yes,
can.
yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Sir. Now come the EQ, the emotional quotient. If you are emotionally strong and balanced, surely you will have a successful, happy, and blissful life in this world. Till now, the school, other things, they teaches EQ and IQ, but nobody teaches how to improve EQ. And there is no medicine to improve your emotional quotient. And meditation is the only answer. The only way to become joyful, blissful, contented, lovable, compassionate, and full of life, meditation is the only answer. If you are emotionally strong, you can face the world much better way. Now comes the highest, which Malaysia has mentioned, SQ, social quotient. We call it spiritual quotient. There's a very famous psychologist, Maslow. He has elaborated 7 basic needs of a person, starting from physical need, roti, kapra, aur makan. Second is your safety needs. Then comes the sexual needs. Then come the love needs. Then come the belongingness need. Then comes the esteem, recognition, and finally self-actualization. Till the time you touch that, you will have some void in your life. Okay, fine, you have earned a lot of money, good thing, you have to earn money, you have to be a well-established person, but something still is missing inside you. You are in power, you are in position, but something is still missing inside you. Till the time you touch that, others will not be completed. Means a beautiful line given by our Sadhguru, a blissful, calm mind is the key to the success. If you are blissful, if you are calm from inside, success will follow definitely. You go other way around. So if you have to balance all these 4 cues for complete wellness, meditation is the only answer. So why meditation? You must have understand by now. So ultimately, SQ, you have to understand the most important question of life. Who am I? You have to reach to the core of your being. You have to touch that Anand. You have to touch the center of axis. Then life has a beautiful meaning for you. Life will be stress-free, successful, blissful, and meaningful. So that's why one answer, meditation, meditation, and meditation. Now let's understand what is this meditation. We'll not talk very high initially that Paramatma, heaven, and maybe some seekers may be waiting. Now they'll tell you, okay, some Shivji will come from top and tell you something. No. Beautiful poetic verses by our Sadhguru. जो फिजा का रंग बदल सके, हमें उस हवा की तलाश है, जो लहू में बिजलियां भर सके, हमें उस दवा की तलाश है. अभी आसमां का जिक्र ना कर, अभी आसमां की फिक्र ना कर, जो जमी की जुल्फें सवार दे, हमें उस बासफा की तलाश है. हो जो जमीन से परे परे, उसे आसमां पे ही छोड़ दे. हो जो जमीन से परे परे, उसे आसमां पे ही छोड़ दे. जो जमीन पे हो, जो जमीन का हो, हमें उस खुदा की तलाश है. Grounded inside and prospering or flourishing outside. So I know a lot of people are having a difficulty in understanding Hindi, so I'll translate in English. Not exactly that, but somewhere close to that. We seek the wind that transforms the hue of the breeze. We seek the only psyche that can electrify the lifeblood. Talk not yet of the sky, care not yet for the welkin. We seek the only green thumb who can care aim for the skies. We look for the realities who is on this earth and of this soil. So let's talk reality. Let's talk ground reality. So to summarize, I'll give you one sutra of cadets. Meditation helps that you will become cadets. Cadets means C, cheerfulness, positivity, full of positivity. A, awareness, ability to respond. We'll discuss. Stephen R. Covey, a very famous author, you must have heard or read his book, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. A beautiful book. You must read that book. Next, D, determination, sankalp, nishchay kar apni jeet karo. So we'll discuss that also. Next is E, expectations. T, thanks and gratitude. Whole journey is from complaining attitude to the gratitude. Next is S, sorry, forgiveness. Large heart. Meditation will help you become cadets. Somebody asked me, what are the top 3 benefits of this meditation? I was discussing with somebody. So beautifully he has summarized. First is you become proactive, not reactive. Proactive means you take initiative, you take responsibility of your actions. You are not blaming like factors which are beyond your control. You work in the area of influence, not in the area of concern. You must read again Stephen R. Covey. There's a beautiful book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Second, anger management. A beautiful meditation, dynamic meditation is the ideal answer. And you can get rid of anger of past through catharsis techniques. And of course, future anger by becoming creative. Once you start doing meditation, you automatically become creative. You want to create something because you are so peaceful and so blissful from inside. You want to create something and automatically anger will vanish. Then come your main willpower, activation of your third eye, activation of your Agya Chakra. It's a beautiful science, and we have a beautiful program called Hypnosis, Samohan Pragya, and Past Life Regression. And I'm very happy that our expert, if I'm not wrong, Kuldeep ji is here. Swami Kuldeep ji is the principal, and he's expert in hypnosis. Kuldeep ji, are you there? Agar aap hain, to please, if you can unmute yourself. Kuldeep ji, I have seen him, is a very fine Acharya and expert in hypnosis. Okay, he must have left by now. So third is willpower. First is you become proactive. Secondly, anger management. Third is a strong determination, a willpower. So that this willpower, I'll explain in detail later on because another chapter itself. Let me tell you, there is no difference between samsara or adhyatam. Means there is no difference between creation and creator. You have to understand that. I'll tell you one very interesting wheel theory. Have you seen wheel? I'm sure that you must have seen wheel, a normal wheel. Consider yourself a wheel. Wheel moves. But that center of axis, that center bolt never moves. Wheels moves over it. Now consider yourself a wheel. You are moving. Earlier you were a child. Now you have grown up. I can see some gray hairs. I can see that hair, yeah, bald people also. So this appearance keep changing. This means it's changing. It's a wheel. Have you seen wheel? Okay. Wheel moves, but the center of axis, the center bolt or the center portion never moves. Okay. Next is your thoughts. They are moving day and night. You are eating, sleeping, means dreams. Eating, sleeping, walking. Dreams are running day and night, moving. Then go further. Feelings, they're also moving. Sometime you are in love, sometime you are in anger, sometime something, they are moving. Now, move little bit further. Then there is the center of axis, your real being, core of your being that never moves. The complete journey, every saint has said this, go inside, from outer to inner, from outer to inner, to that center of access. You call it Anand, you call it your center of your being, you call it Atma, name it anything. But ultimately, you have to go there, touch that place, and you will be so calm, blissful from inside. And success will automatically follows, definitely. With my experience, I can tell you. Otherwise, we are running after the things. But again, I'll repeat, a blissful, calm mind is the key to the success. So I hope I'm clear. Now, there's only one way. There's only one way to reach up to that center of access or your being, or name anything, is the meditation, meditation, and meditation. Nothing else. Now, after seeing the importance, I just want to know from you, new seekers, my request, new seekers, that what is this meditation? Lot of theory, lot of videos, lot of YouTube, everything talks about meditation. I want to know from you, what is this meditation? So please raise your hand and unmute yourself, and just in a simple words. Yeah, Munna Biranawarji raised his hand. Please unmute yourself and discuss.
Pranam Swamiji.
Ji,
This is
ji.
Munna Biranwar.
Ji.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Swamiji, I am from Nagpur.
Oh, wonderful.
I have started attending these free sessions on Sunday and on some Fridays, Osho Gopalji. Right. So I have attained some state of mind which takes me to some point where I don't know myself. While I know that I am not sleeping.
So this means when you don't know yourself, that's meditation.
No, I am not sure if that is meditation,
Okay.
but I have attained that state once, and that's my experience. So I think that would be my meditation state, meditative state. So please enlighten me about that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And who else would like to share? We appreciate, and we appreciate that you have shared. Yeah, Dipesh is again. Yeah, Dipesh, go ahead. Beautiful, it's an interactive session. And after that, the old seekers can also join after 2-3 sharings of new seekers. Yeah, Dipesh, go ahead.
Unmute. Unmute.
Unmute yourself, Dipesh.
Am I audible? Yes.
Yeah, very much.
The science of knowing your inner world is called meditation.
Science of knowing. Very heavy word. Can you elaborate? In a simple words.
Meditation is basically the art of knowing what is going on inside your mind, what are the things which are bothering you, and how to remove those thoughts and turn that negativity in your body into a positive and a free-spirited mind.
Okay, so this means removing negative thoughts in your that sense is the meditation. Fine, thank you, Dipesh. Who else will share? Now anybody can share. Yeah, you can raise your hands and unmute yourself and please share in a simple words. Yeah, go ahead. Please unmute yourself, Kailash Chandra, Rajaji, and a lot of hands.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Ma.
Hello.
Go ahead, Sangeeta, Ma.
Good morning. Hello.
Very good morning to you. Very good morning to you, Sangeeta ji.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am also associated with Osho ji, and my Chacha ji, Shri Roshan Lal ji, staying in Bombay, and he has a great influence in my life. He has totally changed my life, and I think meditation is such type of state of mind and physical relaxation also, when our mind is not indulged in different types of activities, when we focus towards inside and try to listen the nad.
You have gone. Okay, fine. Go ahead. So you
And
have to focus inside, but focus inside where? When I close my eyes, there are a lot of thoughts. Where should I focus?
we shouldn't try to stop our or control our thoughts. These will be going on
But you said,
continuously.
but you said that we have to focus. Focus where?
We have to focus inside, breathing, breathing outside and inside.
So this means you said focusing on your breathing is meditation.
No, after some times, thoughts will also remain at some slow speed or pace, and we can do concentrate towards our inner side, and we can
Beautiful.
feel
Thank you. Ji,
and we
ji,
can
got-
feel peacefulness, blissfulness, and no physical movement is there. And
That is the
while
outcome. That is the outcome. Beautifully, beautifully explained. Let's appreciate Sangeeta ji. Thank you very much. बहुत
thank you,
बहुत धन्यवाद. Yeah.
thank you,
Ji,
sir.
I
I'm
know.
from Ambala city.
Okay, thanks, Sangeeta ji. Now
Thank
I
you.
can see Kailash Chandra ji. Go ahead, Kailash Chandra ji.
निराकार स्टेट
Go ahead.
निराकार अवस्था
What is that? What is that Nirakar Avastha? I haven't heard. What is that Nirakar Avastha?
निराकार स्टेट जो मीन्स नो थॉट्स
Okay.
नो स्टेट
But when I'm sleeping, then there's no thought. So that's meditation.
नो
But you said when there is no thought, that's the meditation.
दैट टाइम अवेयरनेस इज नॉट देयर
Okay, you have to be aware also.
अवेयरनेस इज नॉट देयर
Okay. Thank you, Kailash Chandra ji. Thank you very much. Who else? Last sharing because time is running.
Hello, sir.
Who else?
Am I audible? No.
Okay, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Okay. So, oh yeah. Go ahead. Tell your name and then.
My name is Santosh.
Yes, Santosh. How are you? You are from which place? You belong to which
I'm
place?
from Sydney, sir. From Sydney.
From Sydney. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, Santosh. Welcome. Okay.
My understanding of meditation is that it's a absolutely relaxed state of your being.
Okay, so nice of you. Thank you. Our Hans and Mathi Pragya seekers. Yeah, Mukesh Chaudhary raised a hand. I can read that message. Okay, go ahead, Mukesh Chaudhary ji.
Pranam Acharya ji, I am Mukesh Kumar Chaudhary from
Ji.
Darbhanga in Bihar.
Ji.
For meditation is just where I meet with oneself. It is a dimension. We meet with ourselves in the meditation state.
Okay.
In a simple word.
Otherwise, you're not meeting yourself.
No. We are unaware with ourselves. We are wandering with our thoughts and associated with our thought and our body, but we are not aware with oneself itself.
A beautiful message.
State,
fine, beautiful. Thank you very much. I can read. I'm a new beginner, and for me, the meditation is focusing on something. Beautiful, absolutely right. I can read a few messages. Okay, I'm a new person. Okay, fine. For me, the meditation is concentration. Okay, fine. We have a beautiful 9 days online program that's called a meditative living, a Dhyan Samadhi, a wonderful program. I'll request all new seekers. It's a life-changing, it's a game changer in your life. First 5 days, we go in detail that 8-fold paths of Lord Buddha and Stephen R. Covey's Sutra, how to become blissful, how to lead a very happy, healthy life. In that, we learn right quest, right paradigm, right awakening. What is right awakening? What is right action? What is right determination? What is right relationship? Right acceptance, right speech? So that we become so blissful that we can lead a very, very blissful life. Then the real secret, somebody has hinted, Anhad Nath, Omkar, that is ultimate, because I have given you the crux of the story, that you have to reach up to the center of axis, core of your being, which never moves, which cannot be destroyed. Shri Krishna said, Sthit Pragya. He said, Gita, अध्याय 2 नैनम छिदन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनम दहति पापका न चैनम कलदन्ते आपतो न शोष्यति मारुतः. It cannot be destroyed. ये सदा सदा से था and सदा रहेगा. So to reach up to that place, meditation is the only answer. If you touch that place, you are blissful, you are successful. So the only way is the meditation. Now, in a simple words, let's understand what is the meditation. Then we do. We go practically. First of all, when you close your eyes, in front of your eyes, when there is no thought, no form, a vast emptiness, no form, no Ram, no Krishna, no God, nothing. And you are relaxed and aware. 4 things. You are relaxed, eyes closed, and you are aware. You are not sleeping. Sleeping and meditation, absolutely. Kailash Chandraji has spoken beautifully. There's not much of difference. In sleep, we are not aware. In meditation, we are aware, relaxed, and there is no thought, and there is no form. I'll give you an example. Have you seen ocean? And any sea or ocean? There are waves on the surface of that ocean. One wave, second wave. Similarly, thoughts are moving, emotions are moving. Now go a bit deep, further deep. Then you realize, then there is no wave. The water is cool, calm, and vastness. Similarly, when you close your eyes and goes inside, then there will be no thought, no form, and you are relaxed and aware. In simple word, relaxed awareness is the meditation. Or when you become aware of your formless being, Nirakar, means formless being, but you are aware. That state is the meditation, because you are like an iceberg, only 10% outside, 90% inside. From that place, everything originates. Then it comes into your thoughts, then into your speech, then into your action. So grounded inside and prospering outside. That should be the motto. Now, it's very difficult to understand theoretically. We'll do a small practical. Before that, again, I'll request new seekers, if they want to experience the real meditation and other secrets which we can't explain in words. 9 days program is starting from 1st of, Atulji, I think so 1st of August, 1st to 9 August. And in regional language, Atulji and Manandi, they are also planning. And there's a Surti Samadhi for the old jo hamare seekers hain. The Surti Samadhi will be starting from tomorrow if you want to join. And you can visit oshudhara.org.in and see whatever program you want to do. Now, to understand the meditation, today we'll do Vipassana meditation. So for that, sit straight, close your eyes, take deep breaths, relax, totally relaxed. It's a very, very unique meditation called Vipassana meditation. Buddha did the experiment with breathing. First for consciousness, and up to where the breath goes, awakening will happen. In the same way, this experiment fills every atom of your body with consciousness, Buddha says. Relax. Take slow and deep breathing. Long, deep, slow. This meditation has 4 steps. First, we'll do a prayer, because with Mangal Kamna, by well wish for the others, we become positive. Second step, in second step, we'll take a long and deep breath and hold it for some time. That is called Antar Kumbhak. And then leave it. Repeat this process. This movement of holding breath is very important. You, at that time, don't move your eyeballs, see inside, in front of your eyes, with closed eyes, whatever is there, just watch. Then in third step, exhale a long breath, hold it for some time, and then see whatever in front of your eyes. In fourth step, we take long and deep breaths and concentrate and on those breathing patterns. And in next step, we just relax and watch our breathing, total awareness. And then we will move to self-remembrance, going inside, moving towards that center of access or core of your being. Then there will be a small gap of half an hour, lie down in Shavasana at that time, and slowly, after about 20-30 minutes, Atulji play a small music and you will come out of meditation. So I hope steps are clear. Now I'll request Atulji to play the CD of Vipassana meditation.
Okay.
Close your eyes, take my humble request, everybody.
विपस्सना ध्यान में आपका स्वागत है। सुखपूर्वक बैठ जाएं और आंखें बंद कर लें।
Welcome in Vipassana meditation. Sit comfortably and close your eyes.
पहला चरण मंगल कामना। भाव करें सभी सुखी हों, सभी स्वस्थ हों, सभी सुंदर हों, किसी को कोई भी दुख ना हो। अनुसरण करते हुए गाएं। Step 1, prayer. Sit down in relaxed posture and close your eyes. Sing this hymn which prays, let all be happy, let all be healthy, let all be gentle, let no one suffer from misery. सुखिनः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्। अगला चरण अंतर कुंभक। भीतर सांस खींचें और जितनी देर आसानी से रोक सकें रोके रहें। अपने अंतर आकाश में अपनी निर्विचार अवस्था को देखें। Step 2, holding breath inside. Take deep and long breath and hold it inside as long as you can do it comfortably. And while holding breath inside, watch the thoughts, if any. अगला चरण बहिर्कुंभक। बाहर सांस फेंकें और जितनी देर आसानी से रोक सकें रोके रहें। अपने अंतर आकाश में अपनी निर्विचार अवस्था को देखें।
Step 3. Holding breath outside. Breathe out slowly and deeply and hold your breath outside as long as you can do it with ease. While holding your breath outside, watch the thoughts, if any.
अगला चरण अनापान सती योग। नाभि चक्र पर दोनों हाथ रखें और फैलते सिकुड़ते पेट के साथ आती जाती सांसों का स्मरण करें। सामान्य से थोड़ी गहरी सांस लें। स्टेप 4 अनापान सती योग। कीप both your hands on the navel center. Feel the contraction and relaxation of the abdomen with inhalation and exhalation respectively. Breathe a little slower and deeper than normal with great awareness.
Completely focus on your breathing. तो जी थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक कम कर दीजिए। फाइन। Complete focus on your breathing. That while inhaling, air is touching in front portion of your nostrils, going inside. The contraction of stomach. Complete concentration on your breathing pattern. While inhaling, the air is touching front portion of your nostrils, going inside, contraction and expansion of your abdominal, and going back, again touching front portion of your nostril, become so sensitive that you can feel the warmth also. सांस लेते वक्त सांस नाक के अगले हिस्से को छू रही है, इसकी ठंडक भी महसूस हो रही है। अंदर गई, पेट फूला, पेट पिचका, हाथों को भी पता चला, और सांस नली से होती हुई सांस बाहर नाक के अगले हिस्से को छूती हुई एक हल्की सी गर्माहट भी महसूस हुई। इतना संवेदनशील हो जाएं, become so sensitive and complete concentration on your breathing.
अगला चरण साक्षी भाव। अंतर आकाश को देखते हुए आती जाती सांसों का स्मरण रखें। श्वास बिल्कुल सहज सामान्य हो, अपनी तरफ से कोई प्रयास न करें।
साक्षी हो जाएं।
Step 5, witnessing. Now, let your breathing be comfortably natural. Put no extra effort from your side. Just remain aware of your breathing process. Be a witnessing consciousness.
You want to lie down, you can lie down, or you want to keep sitting, keep sitting. Choice is yours. But with full awareness and no extra effort, watch your breathing. Let breathing be completely natural without any effort. जागते रहो. Be completely aware of your breathing. You will see that you are becoming calm, cool, and blissful. Keep watching with full concentration. You will realize breathing has become shorter, shorter. It's just touching your nose and going out. At this time, don't move your eyeballs. You are sitting silently, doing nothing. The spring comes and the grass grows by itself. Let the things happen. Relax. Now leave all efforts. Don't even concentrate on your breathing. Just look in front of your eyes with closed eyes. Without any contemplation, without any imagination. Look into your inner space and relax. Let the things happen and you just relax in this process of happening. No physical, no mental, no emotional activity. In front of your eyes, there's a vast emptiness, which Kabir Sahib says, Khate pani sab bhare, aughat bhare na koi. River with no banks at all. The vastness in front of your eyes has no bank at all. Keep looking at it with love, with relaxed mind. Please don't move your eyeballs. Just look straight, not down, not up. Straight, without any tension, without any stress. Just enjoy. Hasiba, kheliba, thariba, dhyanam. Keep on looking deeper, further deep. You will realize that you are also expanding in this vastness. Watching your inner sky is so blissful. Keep on looking, keep on looking. Slowly, slowly, you merge into this vastness or in this conscious inner space. Go on looking into this conscious inner space and enter in meditation. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. आप लेटना चाहते हैं, लेट जाएं। देखते रहें आंखों के सामने ये जो विशाल निराकार है या काला पर्दा है। कीप ऑन लुकिंग। धीरे धीरे इसके साथ मर्ज होते जाएंगे। गोल्डन सूत्रा, इसको प्रेम से देखते रहें। कीप ऑन लुकिंग with love, and slowly slowly you merge into this vast consciousness. ध्यान अपने आप घटित हो जाएगा. Meditation will happen automatically. Hari Om. दो चार लंबी गहरी सांसें लें. Take 2-3 long deep breaths and slowly come out of meditation. Don't be in hurry to get up. Take your time. When you want to get up, take a right turn and sit comfortably and enjoy this beautiful music. Om Mani Padme Hum. No hurry, take 2-3 long breaths and enjoy this music. Say your gratitude to your parents, to your guru. Thank you जी, thank you अतुल जी धन्यवाद. अतुल जी धन्यवाद. Rub your hands, touch your eyes with softness. Okay. I am so thankful and I convey my sincere gratitude to the strong team of Oshudhara Sangh Hyderabad, especially Malesh ji, Ma Anandi. I'm in touch with Ma Anandi, Asha Ma Zeba, and of course Ma Suman, and energetic couple Atul and Ma'am, and seekers from all over India and abroad, and even 2 seekers from, I think so, Canada, they have joined, and from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all over India. I'm so grateful to you. I have really enjoyed this session and so grateful to this strong Sangh of Oshudhara that they have invited me and I have really enjoyed. Now I'll request our very dear, young, dynamic, budding Acharya Shri Chaitanya Ravi ji, who is organizer of Suruthi Samadhi starting for tomorrow, to say a few words. Then I'll hand over to Atul ji for the next program. Ji, Chaitanya Ravi ji are very young, of course, handsome IIT topper, and Acharya Shri. Ji, over to Acharya Shri Ravi ji.
Thank you, Swamiji. First of all, I want to express my sincere gratitude to Colonel Nutosh for this wonderful session and to Oshudhara Sangh Hyderabad for organizing this beautiful session. So let me give you a brief background of Suruthi Samadhi, like divine sound, Anahat Nad, Anhad Nad. So this is the audible dimension of God. So in Dhyan Samadhi, we get to know the audible dimension of God, divine sound. But in Dhyan Samadhi, this is just a brief introduction with God. In Surati Samadhi, we get to know this experience, we get to experience divine sound in deeper detail. So there are 18 sessions in Surati Samadhi in which the deep experiments of meditations are conducted. So we get to know this in detail. So this Surati Samadhi is being organized like from 21st of July to 29th of July. So I welcome you all to be a part of this. This invitation is to all the seekers who have already done Dhyan Samadhi, and to all the seekers who have gone beyond and are experiencing the higher dimensions of the God. So you are also welcome to experience them, repeat them, refresh your experience, because most of us, we had these experiences like 10 years ago, 15 years ago. So it's a beautiful chance, beautiful opportunity to refresh those memories.
And special
So,
discount also is there for the repeater. I
yeah,
think.
yeah. So 30% discount is offered from Osho Dhara to all the repeaters. So those who have not done Dhyan Samadhi yet, we invite you to do the Dhyan Samadhi first and then do the Surati Samadhi. And those who have done Dhyan Samadhi, they are welcome to attend the Surati Samadhi. And all other seekers, they are welcome to repeat their experience of divine sound in Surati Samadhi. So we welcome you all to this deeper experiences of divine sound. Thanks a lot, Swami.
Thank you, Raviji. And Atulji, there's one question which I'll take later on, that mindfulness is not the meditation. I think so somebody has asked. So that we'll cover in the next session. And I'll request that some day we will, if we can cover the marital relationship and the problems of husband-wife in detail, and followed by meditation. Not now, whenever you are comfortable. So we can plan that, because a very, very important topic, and we can have a very fine interaction based on men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Okay, now over to you. Thank you very much. Atulji.
Thank you, Acharya Anatoshji. It was phenomenal. It was such a divine experience with you. And I'd like to invite Anandima, who is state coordinator for Telangana, and he's been inspiring us to conduct these programs and leading us to please talk 2 words about today.
Anandima, congrats. 115 devices from all over the world have joined today. It's your effort and, of course, your team's effort. We must appreciate.
Thank you so much, Swami ji. पहले सतगुरु को नमन और फिर उनके बंदों को प्रणाम, कोटि कोटि नमन आपको. Such a wonderful session, really wonderful experience in meditation. और जितना आपने बताया है, मैं मैसेजेस पढ़ रही थी सबका इतना कि इसको आप रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, इतना सुंदर सेशन है, ब्यूटीफुल, प्लीज रिकॉर्डेड दिस सेशन. तो थैंक यू सो मच, आपने हमारी इस इनविटेशन को स्वीकार किया एंड गिव अस अ सो वंडरफुल शेयरिंग इन साउथ पीपल. थैंक यू सो मच स्वामी जी. मैं आपको बहुत थोड़ा सा जानती हूँ, इसलिए हमारे सेशन जब आश्रम जाते थे तब आपको देखा करते थे, गुरुदेव के पास जब आप आते थे. तो बस इन थोड़े से दिनों में ही आपसे जो बातें हुई हैं, तो सच अ वंडरफुल. और मुझे हमेशा डिफेंस वालों से बहुत घबराहट होती थी, बड़े ही बहुत कड़क किस्म के इंसान होते हैं डिफेंस वाले, बट आई हैव नेवर सीन सच यू. आप मतलब इतने सॉफ्ट स्पोकन एंड एज वेल एज डिसिप्लिन, और इतना प्यार से आप ले जाते हैं सबको समाधि में, और जो गुरु की सेवा में आप लगे हैं. Thank you so much, Swamiji. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma. Grateful. It's all His blessing, and may Sadhguru's blessings be always with all of you. Cheers.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I like to invite other team of Osho Dhara, Malesh ji, Asha, Ama, aap look at, 2 words from you, Zeba Ma, Suvan Ma, all of you. It has been such a, day we never expected it will happen in Hyderabad.
Yes.
In Corona time, 115 devices are joining from all over the world. 2% I know that from Canada, they are joining at night.
Yeah.
Ji, Malesh ji are saying something.
Thank you very much, Swamiji, for a wonderful time what you have given. And, you know, in fact, having somebody communicating in English, you know, for especially for the South Indians, that itself is a great blessing for us.
Yes, yes.
हिंदी हम बात करते हैं मगर हमारा हैदराबादी हिंदी होता है थोड़ा मिक्स करते हैं हम सब. But I have seen you and you have been our mentor during Acharya Pragya. Wonderful session it was. Thank you very much for being with us and spending time. And please be with us, and we will take this forward from here. Thank you.
Swamiji, pranam. I really want this online program to continue after this COVID period is also over. You know, it is really nice. I feel throughout, like from the world, globally, people can attach more if it is online. And after COVID period also, I think it should continue. And you have taken a wonderful session, and we really had a very good experience in Samadhi also. Thank you.
और आगे भी आपको स्वामी जी हम देखना चाहेंगे.
Always there for Guru Seva, always there, always.
Seva ma, आप हैं?
Namaste. I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
रविंद्र जी.
प्रणाम स्वामी जी.
प्रणाम.
आपका सेशन बहुत बढ़िया था और मैंने आपको पहले मिला था, हम शायद आपको याद होगा कि नहीं, मिस्टिक रोज में मिली थी मैं आपको. तीनों साथ में किए थे, आपकी भाई और भाभी बीबी, तो वहां पे मिली थी मैं. उसके बाद मैं आपसे मिली वही के आचार्य.
Wonderful. I can see my young budding team of Acharya Youth Viभाग में.
बहुत ही बढ़िया था स्वामी जी. मतलब जो पॉइंट्स आपने एक्सप्लेन किया मेडिटेशन के बारे में, बहुत ही सिंपल था और बहुत सब लोगों को ना आराम से वो याद भी कर लेते.
Thank you, ma. Next time we'll have a session on right determination so that the youngsters can be benefited. And it's a very, very important session of right determination so that they can achieve something in your life.
Sure, we will plan.
We want to listen to Zeba Ma because a very pleasing personality, Zeba Razvi ji.
Ma hai kahan? Dikh nahi rahi.
Unmute, please unmute ma.
Zeba Ma.
Thank you so much, Swamiji.
Yeah, she's there.
Yeah. She's there.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, thank you so much. God bless you. It's been very enlightening lecture on meditation.
Volume is very low, but we can understand your feelings.
Yeah.
Volume is very, very low.
So sorry.
It's okay, ma.
It's over to Atul ji.
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो फिर आचार्य जी, with the celebration.
Let's celebration begins and we'll take leave and we'll meet soon.
Soon.
Let's celebrate.
One more thing, Swamiji, I want to tell you. They are this couple, Asha Priya and Malesh ji. They are the South India में जो हम सोच रहे हैं तेलुगु ध्यान समाधि. So they are the planning to do.
Oh, beautiful. This is an excellent initiative. Excellent initiative.
Yes.
And
both are.
He's a senior acharya.
Subbarao Swamiji.
Yes. Subbarao Swamiji is a Acharya Shri and he was.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes. So these three people are planning to, but they are Pragya Sutra. They are
translating into that regional language.
Yes, translating.
You told me earlier.
Yes. So. जल्दी ही हम प्लान करेंगे.
Oh, great! That will be a great step, and others will be definitely motivated.
Sure.
After seeing you, even the Gujarat and other states are following you. Don't worry.
अरे वाह. आपने हमको मोटिवेट किया है स्वामी जी.
Not at all. It's all Sadhguru's grace. Sadhguru's grace. We are all co-travelers, And
to
over
give
to
us a thought.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you, Swamiji.